Good morning. I'm out doing a walkthrough, see how my plants look, and I ran across a ripe tomato, ripe cherry tomato. I may come out later and eat it, but this is a Sweet 100 cherry tomato plant. It has lots of blooms on it. I love the smell of tomato plants. If you've ever grown tomato plants, you know they have that peculiar or particular smell. And first thing in the morning, it smells nice. These are my Florida 91 tomatoes. They're supposed to get about as big as your fist, so looks like they're well on their way. My collard greens are doing well. There are, I want to say, 6 plants in here, and it'll be time to harvest some of these soon. These are my mustards, and they look very good. The main plant, and then I planted some babies a couple days ago rather, around the side, and they're doing good. My romaine lettuce, I harvested one yesterday, and the rest of them are coming along well. Here's my balls head cabbage. I'm concerned about them because it's been so warm down here in Southwest Florida. We've been averaging over 90 degrees every day for about the last week, and this is late October, early November. My red Creole onions, they have come up, and my Merlin yellow onions, they're doing good. It's one of my broccoli plants. It's getting huge. No head formation yet, but the plant itself is getting real big. Here's another broccoli plant. No head formation yet, but getting big. More mustards. Southern giant curl leaf. Cabbage. This is a Savoy cabbage, and I'm worried about them as well because of the heat. This is a Chinese cabbage, and same thing, I'm worried about them because of the heat. My elephant ear garlic is starting to come up. I see at least 3, 4. Okay, this is one of my green stalk planters, Scotch bonnet pepper plant, and they're growing, coming back. You can see that I have buds. I have to keep the plant sprayed because of mites and aphids. Here I put in some Detroit beets, and it looks like they're not going to do too well in the planter, but I did plant some in one of my raised beds. I have some spinach that I planted, and it's sprouted but not blooming yet, and mainly that's probably because of the heat. Here are turnips. When they get bigger, some of the rows I have to come out and thin them out. My Brussels sprout plant. In my other green stalk, I have bok choy, and it looks like I have a couple that are close to being ready. Carrots in this container, and they have come up. When they get bigger, a little bit bigger, I'll fertilize them. Bell pepper, and you can see I have all kinds of little baby bells growing now. So a couple of videos back, I was worried about my eggplants, but as you can see now, I have baby eggplants that are coming. These two plants are fruiting, and that's a good thing. Now, looks like eventually I'm gonna have to come up with recipes for them. If you guys have any recipes that you're willing to share, leave it in the comment section, and I'll let you know how it comes out. Here we have my parsley and basil and a little oregano, not much. Kind of hot down here for it.
Motion detected at the patio.
Bell pepper again. Hey, my radishes in my container are not doing very well, so I'm going to take these out and put something else in. I have some lettuce that I'm growing. I'll go over to it in a minute to show you. So I may put some of the lettuce in here. And we have romaine lettuce, and then we have butterhead lettuce. So I may put some of the butterhead lettuce in the container. I have hot peppers that have started to sprout. These are the Trinidad seasoning. Here, Carolina Reaper, and I can see where I see some chlorophyll, but nothing has popped through yet. Onions have not come up. We have the lettuce, and I have 3 rows of spinach with no luck so far. Here we have some hot peppers that I transplanted a couple videos back. When they get a little bit bigger, I'm going to pinch the head off here so that instead of them growing tall, they'll get bushier and bush out. And that's what I have growing right now. Well, I really wasn't going to make a video. I had no intention on making a video, but I wanted to come out and do a walkthrough, so I grabbed the camera. I'm not really feeling my best, Last night was rough. I had sweats and chills, fever, and I think it came from getting the latest COVID booster shot. So I really don't have much planned today other than making sure that I feel better. But I felt good enough to come out and film a little video. If you like my content, by all means consider subscribing. I can grow vegetables, but I can't grow my channel without your help. If you do subscribe, go ahead and hit the like button as well, and hit the notification bell. You'll be notified when I upload new content. You can share my video and leave me a comment. I'm always interested as far as what people think or any suggestions or things that I can improve upon or change. Until next time, stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow.